Hello traders, it's my joy and pleasure being with you on this beautiful, beautiful July 2nd. Before closing out for one of the most incredible holidays in US, as I'm very, very proud to be US citizen, let's remember and celebrate July 4th with honor and pride of being Americans. But let's also remember how important Fibonacci levels are. Take a look. Do you remember Apple at 93? This is Apple from our trading room and from my presentation at Hedge Fund Convention in 2016. Do you remember when Apple came out with the worst earnings at this level in 2016? Did it mean anything? Of course it did not, which I will show you next. The only thing that meant everything is key Fibonacci support. This is key Fibonacci support in front of you right now on S&P. We discussed this before the short reached this level. We discussed this before hourly chart key trend reached this level. This is where long from this morning in the course reached key Fibonacci reversal zone. This is a place you exit your longs. This is a place you monitor for shorts. Stunning flawless scanner gave us short alert. 20 charts on this scanner. Another 20 charts on this scanner. Except there is no reason to look on 40 charts. There is the only reason to click on the chart when scanner gives you alert. Knowledgeable trader who knows it's a counter trend move knows this support as crucial on S&P right now as it was on Apple when Apple came out with the worst earnings. If S&P skyrockets through this Fibonacci support and rules are met, we may have a long trade to the upside on Apple. Identical formula price across the board. Only when rules are met you can take a trade. There is absolutely no long alert anywhere. It is short that reached key Fibonacci target, just like short did on Apple. This is reversal zone on S&P. If I convert this chart to 5, what would you see? Shock or not? That's the place where short came from. And that's where S&P is now. But if I convert this chart to 10, 15, if I convert this chart to 3, identical formula applies. This is a problem on the short now. And this is what played out on Apple. Identical dance in 2016. Do you remember Apple at 93? Do you remember the worst earnings in 13 years? Did it mean a thing? Absolutely not. As long as this key support was respected, Apple doubled in value. Shock or not? Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the markets. What do you see ahead? Fibonacci reversal zone. Are you surprised what Apple did there? Of course not. Exact same thing as S&P this morning. And what do you see on the bottom? 140 is present. Boom. Here goes Apple. The only thing that remains, 140 trend inception. Rules are met to take a trade. Shock or not? And where is Apple now? Reached Fibonacci reversal zone again and again and again. Long-term scanner give you alerts for shorts. All you have to do, choose quality trades, all in advance with Fibonacci targets. Targets never after the fact, all in advance. And this is S&P now. My goodness, this is a problem. Key support in front of you. Did we know or did we know that it will be a problem? Of course. Identical level as on Apple. When you trade against the trend, absolutely expect this to be a problem. Nothing else is possible. Market stuck. But there is no longer alert. None are present. Pulling trigger randomly, never, ever, ever an option. Knowledgeable trader knows that. Market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Doesn't matter what you trade. And if the price crashes through, it's a beautiful, beautiful gift. Because knowledgeable trader knows that this is flawless place to buy, but only if rules are met. Rules are not met, do not touch the market. And that's S&P now on any chart you trade. At key Fibonacci support for the last 6 minutes. But if it crashes all the way to the bottom, it's a beautiful news. Doesn't matter what chart you trade, choice is yours. Identical formula remains every day, every time. Never ever ever be tempted to enter into Fibonacci reversal zone. Ever. It will never work. Never. This is where you exit your longs. This is where you monitor for your shorts. And to the tick, finally this level is broken. Market moving lower. Stunning flawless counter trend move, picking up the steam. As we discussed with students for days. Not the place to buy. The place to exit your long. It is that simple. Identical place where Apple sold off from. Every day, every time, trader will be tested to the core. Trail very, very carefully. If you manage to pull few points out of this market and you understand how crucial the rules are, scale out according to your lot size. Pretty please. Without need to look at 40-50 charts. And if S&P will skyrocket from this reversal zone next and rules are met, take a trade. Because this is what Apple had done. Choice is yours if you want to trade Apple or S&P. And if you want to trade them all, it means you are simply knowledgeable trader. So first time ever advanced Alpha Fibonacci scanners available to retail traders. At this time, in front of you this morning, this is the alert on this short. 40 charts running in the background. There is no need to look on 40 charts. Only look at scanner. And zero stress, zero need to flip through charts. We knew. Not the place to buy. The place to monitor for shorts. This bold red line screamed out loud. Long-term Fibonacci reversal zone spelled out. Nothing in the market is random. What would be ideal next? If buyers step in with vengeance, just like on Apple. This is when knowledgeable trader adjusts the trail and leaves hardly anything on. Is anyone surprised that price reverses Of course not. There is a reason. Method traded on Wall Street. What you learn is priceless. So enjoy and simply play by the rules. As one of the head managers said, I give you Ferrari. All I'm asking you drive at speed limit. Can you do that? If you can, the sky's the limit. So first time ever as we're updating website currently. Software available on the website. I highly encourage if you have any questions about the method view, 1000+ videos on our YouTube channel. Alpha Fibonacci system is a rule-based method that first time ever available on the website with Ninja 8 software, with multi-scanner, with ultimate trade tools that give you entry, stop and target. All you have to do, obey the rules and choose ultimate quality trades. If you would like to trade the method on any other platforms, not a problem. You can operate method software on Ninja 8 and place trades somewhere else. Happens all the time. Ninja Trader 8 for charting is a free platform. Minimal data fees apply. All classes are live, classes recorded. As of now, we have 80+ live recorded classes available 24/7. 9 trading education modules available 24/7. 12-week live course. Private mentoring 6 months includes all group classes. I love to teach. I love to inspire you. And if you start with this, there is no limit to how much more I can teach you, as I constantly develop new strategies. And when I introduce you to latest strategy, which I always do, graduates of the course, you will be amazed at power and accuracy of the method. So please review the information on the website. If you would like to trade stress-free, scanner and software give you ultimate, most relaxed way to trade. And if complete beginner traders can trade the method with or without software and become consistently profitable, so can you. View and read and listen to what students do. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. S&P did not give us any longs. S&P took a pause. Trail absolutely respected. Nothing that you learn, nothing that you use in the method is random. Did we know or did we know that this is not the place to buy? This is a place to exit your long. Boom. Enjoy. But again and again and again, if I walk down memory lane on Apple, are you surprised? Exact same thing on S&P. Here's another stunning reminder of Tesla for the last 3 years. This is the chart present in the trading room for 3 years. Do you remember how crucial this bright pink line key Fibonacci support was on Apple and S&P? 255 is key on Tesla. What is the reversal zone on Tesla? 388. This is Tesla 10 months later. Shock or not? Exact same problem. Key Fibonacci support and key reversal zone. All in advance, never after the fact. What happens when this support is out on Tesla? 2 years of this. Didn't matter what happened with SEC. The only thing that mattered if this support is respected. 2 years of this. Finally. Crash and burn Tesla. Pretty please. Boom. Until where? Until ultimate trend inception. outside of decision point 2. Anyone surprised where Tesla reversing from? Should not be. All in advance, never after the fact. And this is S&P right now. Look at that. Is that possible? It's reversing just like Tesla. Of course, it's flawless. Market formed by Fibonacci. Nothing else matters. 12 years with pure price and Fibonacci. What you see every day is priceless. All you have to do? Play by the rules. The sky's the limit. And if next software will give stunning long trade, we would not be surprised. We discussed this for the last few days. Correct? We discussed this before price reached this level. But only if rules are met, you can take a trade. It is that simple. Just like Tesla, just like Apple, S&P setting up for reversal. At the same time, we can have 10, 15, 20 charts lighting up on scanner. Knowledgeable trader will pick the best trade. And that makes a world of difference in your trading. Quality, never ever ever quantity, that will determine your success. You are in charge. When market in pain, there is nothing here to do. Scanner not giving any trades. Zero are present. Only when rules are met you can take a trade. Reversal in a progress, but not yet. Market in pain. Only when rules are met you can take a trade.